Hi, this is Charity, Independent Scentsy Coach. I'm really excited to be here today. We have some amazing new products coming out, and the flyer will be backwards, but that's because the camera's facing me. So, got this, really super excited about it. There's a few pages, and it is a little bit bigger because we do have more products than we did in the past. So I'm really excited. I just showed it real quick because I don't want you to see everything. So my favorite, which will be available on the 1st of September, is this adorable element warmer. Okay, so this is what the base looks like. And then this is the warmer itself. I love that little pumpkin. And this will go over the base. See if I can not drop it. Okay, and on the back, like so many others, is the word Scentsy. That's how you know it's Scentsy branded. Okay, and your dish is actually clear. Let's see if I can get this right for you. Okay, that number 3 right there. I don't know if you can see it there. That number 3, that is the number of max cubes that it will hold, and that will give you the best fragrance experience. So I'm going to go ahead and put this away before I drop it again so it doesn't break. I am keeping this one. I planned on it anyway, but especially now that I dropped it, I don't want to take any chances. And what I like about our warmers is they make perfect decor pieces, even if you don't use them to warm your wax. So we've got 3 fragrances here. I'm really excited about them. The first one is Black Luna Night. This one is Jasmine Sandalwood and Rain Mist. And I really love it. So if you like Amazon Rain that we currently have, you're going to love this one. And then we have I don't want to mix them up. Then we have Lost in the Amazon. That one is another really good light one that I just have absolutely found love with. It's Mandarin, Orchid, and Palo Santo. This one's still my favorite, but I like that one too. Okay, and then the third one is Dark Veiled Lilac, and that's what that one looks like. And it's lilacs, plum, suede, and cedar. Now, if you like suede, if you like suede, I think this one's perfect for you. At least that's what I'm getting. But yeah, there is some lilac and plum in there. But I'm getting mostly the suede. So if you like weathered leather, which we have, you'll like that one. So I want to thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.